6:45, car insurance rates here in Georgia are rising. Many drivers are complaining that their monthly bills have doubled. I'm adding my name to that list. Insurance rates have been climbing for years, but why? Here's our why guy.
Congratulations, you've made it through another year on the hectic streets of Atlanta without so much as a fender bender. But when you look for your reward, you find your insurance rate has gone up. Auto insurance rates in Georgia have been climbing for years. At one time, the rate increases were among the steepest in the nation, and now we're going to explain why. According to one analysis of insurance costs, Atlanta's rates are up nearly 9% over last year. The folks in the Office of Georgia's Insurance Commissioner tell us that's actually better than the double-digit increases we were experiencing. There are a great many reasons for the rising costs. Atlanta's congested highways, often lined with construction barrels, are the scene of frequent accidents. Our improving economy means more people are driving, and they're often driving more expensive cars. So when there are claims, they can be more costly. Insurance companies adjust rates for everyone depending on the amount of claims they've had to pay out. A professor of risk management and insurance at the University of South Carolina says due to the frequency and severity of accidents in Georgia, we are the least profitable state in the South for automobile insurers. The Insurance Commissioner's Office says the situation should be getting better. Georgia's new hands-free law is already making our roads safer. Traffic fatalities were down last year. Rates are still growing, but not as quickly as they once were.